Second day of breakfast. Today is May 23. Huh?
Second day?
Yeah, second day.
Okay.
Today is May 23 and today is Friday. Juma Mubarak to all Muslims around the world. And time check as 7:32 a.m. Now, breakfast today is paratha with scrambled egg with onions and tea. And I use this brown sugar because she's a diabetic patient, so that's why she brings sugar with the brown sugar from Rawalpindi. And she used to drink warm water, not cold water.
Because
Yeah.
I have problem.
Yeah.
I feel cold, everything cold.
Yeah.
My body
You see the views. As of now, is still early, 7:35 a.m. I think. So now taking breakfast. Still warm, still cold in my place.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. And our tiger.
Tiger is my guide.
Yeah, tiger. Because morning time you wake up, you walk.
Yeah, I walk
Yes,
around.
tiger with her. Ah, you're like tiger. Ayan. After I will take also breakfast. First I will let her to breakfast here under the tree of walnut. Yeah. Oh. Now you can eat. You finish.
Shukriya. Very tasty.
This is common breakfast here in Pakistan nationwide.
Yes.
Paratha. But I used to eat only chapati. Yeah, chapati sometimes and paratha also sometimes. But I used to eat more chapati with tea. Yeah.
Morning even.
No. Sometimes only I eat chapati. But yesterday, I ate this chapati with krilli, with bitter gourd, and some minced meat. So, I cooked yesterday for our lunch together with dinner. This krilli with krilli means bitter gourd or ampalaya. We call that ampalaya in our language, Tagalog. Yeah, with chapati, I eat also chapati, and she eat also chapati lunch and dinner, and me also lunch and dinner chapati. But I eat only 1.5, or you more. No. You did not finish these 2 chapatis, no? Yeah. Ayan. Oh. Nice to sit down here under the tree of walnut. Yeah, very. This is fresh air.
Yeah.
But by this time now, you compare in Barya Town in Rawalpindi.
Yeah, it's hot.
Hot now by this time.
Everybody go home that time. Even 6:30 they go home.
Oh.
Because sun is so
sunshine, hot. Yeah. But here, no problem. Taking breakfast. Sister Mariam.
Hello.
Say salam. How's everybody, your friend? You tell that you are here in Kashmir, Rawalakot.
Yeah.
Second day of breakfast, taking paratha, tea with scrambled egg with onions.
Thank you.
For today's recipe, Viand for lunch. This is ladyfinger with potatoes curry, and this is Pakistani version. Ladyfinger, they call it herbindia, or in Arabic, bamya. Ayan, okra naman sa Tagalog. Or Ilocano, we call it also okra in Ilocano. Our viand for lunch. And then I cook also white rice because today's I did not eat rice also, Sister Mariam. So we have to eat now our lunch. And I will make also some chapatis for my husband for langga. Now taking lunch is already ladyfinger with potatoes, curry, white rice, and salad, cucumbers, and onions, chopped onions and cucumbers, and yogurt, organic yogurt. This is fresh buffalo milk to yogurt. So enjoy your lunch.
Thank you so much.
Done our lunch. Ang kinain namin ni Mariam, Sister Mariam, Yagamochi ay ito. Ito yung ulam namin. And then with rice, pati si Fatma. And then si ano naman, si Lakay, chapati. At saka yun yung ladyfinger with potatoes curry. So ngayon nakamasahe na din ako ng arena dito sa kneading machine. So mamaya si Fahad di pa siya kumain ng lunch kasi late siyang nag-breakfast. Ayan. So bali dinner magluluto pa ako ng chicken curry. Kasi konti lang ito, hindi kasya for our dinner. Pero rice, tama na ito kasi kami lang ni Japanese ang kakain at saka si Fatma. And the rest ay maggawa ako ng chapati.